Welcome to another episode of The Wong Reviewer. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about sound and how I want to improve the sound quality of my voice coming through to the videos. So in my previous videos, what I did was I would shoot footage of an unboxing or a product, and then I would do it in silence actually. And then what I would do is in post-production is do the voiceover explaining what I'm looking at, what I'm doing, and some of my thoughts on that product. However, when I did that, it was very time consuming to edit that post-production and doing the voiceovers and trying to time it with the actions and then having to freeze certain frames or extend certain frames to match what I was saying after the fact was very difficult for me to do. So I decided to purchase a lavalier mic so I can do it in live, so I can reduce the amount of time in post-production and creating video content. So what I did was I went on Amazon and looked at a budget-friendly mic, and I bought a lavalier mic from PowerDewise. Another reason why I prefer to do voiceovers when I first started the channel was to limit my exposure in front of the camera. I'm still very uncomfortable being in front of the camera, but I'm starting to realize that for me to be successful down the road, I have to kind of be uncomfortable and to challenge myself and to be in front of the camera. So being in front of the camera is still challenging, but I'm going to try and learn as I continue making these videos. So that's another reason why I got an external mic. So today's video is going to do an unboxing a budget-friendly microphone from PowerDewise. We will unbox this and test the sound quality of using just the microphone and the camera versus using a lavalier mic. All right. Comes in a nice little bag. Easy steps to great recording. Plug into iPhone or other recording device. Start to record, unplug to listen. Ensure a tight connection between all components. It's a nice little logo there. It's kind of neat. An owl with the headphone. PowerDewise. Camera lens cleaner. I didn't even know it came with one. And a sticker. Instruction manual. Register for warranty card. Okay, so PowerDewise, open it up. And there's two cords. I guess this is the extension cord. I like that it has a Velcro cable wrap here, which is nice to keep things organized. Here's a close-up of the microphone. Nice phone cover. Alligator clip. It's a nice teeth. And then they provide you with more foam tips, I guess, or microphone cover. To leave you two extra microphone cover and another extension adapter for a smaller jack. Nope. So it also comes with two extra mic covers, phone covers, and another adapter. So it actually does say, so the adapter has writing on it that says 4-pin to 3-pin adapter for PC camera dual channel. So as you can see, this is a 3-pin adapter. So you need this 3-pin adapter for the microphone to work on any of the X-T series bodies. All right. On the X-H1 and X-T3, the microphone jack is in the same location, top left-hand side of the camera. So now we're going to compare sound between using the X-T3's internal microphone versus the lavalier mic. Hopefully it does sound better. So right now I'm in my home office and there's a huge wall behind the camera that you can't see, and there's nothing on the wall. So as I'm talking, you can hear that my voice is kind of echoing in here, and I'm sure it sounds pretty muffled, and so this is what my voice would sound like if I didn't use the lavalier mic. So let's go turn on the lavalier mic. So now here's my voice using the lavalier mic. Hopefully it sounds a lot better than without in this room, and hopefully the echoing noise kind of stops. Again, this is a budget-friendly mic. It's not a high-end Rode mic that other people have used, but this is what I wanted to start out with. Again, it was pretty budget-friendly. It was under $25 Canadian to use this mic, and hopefully it does improve the sound quality. As I continue to grow this channel, then perhaps I would probably move to a more professional microphone. But for now, I think sounds good enough to me, and I think this is what I will use for now. What do you guys think? So I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any comments or questions about this lavalier mic, or if you have any suggestions for other microphones I can use that are budget friendly, I would love to hear about it. So just put in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and please subscribe. So until next time, thanks for watching.